and welcome back to Landland's World. So today I'll be showing you guys how I clean turkey legs. So first I did go ahead and get them chopped up into medium pieces. And what we're going to do is just start off by removing all the extra skin and fat. As I stated, I'm just continuing to remove all the extra skin and fat, and so that's really all the white parts of the meat. You just want to try your best to get all of it removed. Now, as for the leg part of the turkey, we're just going to go ahead and discard that. We don't need it. It's mostly filled with veins and fat. There's nothing on there that's worth eating, so I just go ahead and throw it away. Also, I just want to go ahead and give you guys another angle because with different pieces of the meat, sometimes you got to get really in there. So I'm just removing all the fat. As I stated, you see all the skin and fat. I'm just getting it removed. So that's why I use a cutting board so I can make it easier. So I'll be able to go ahead and remove all of that. Right, so this is the meat. Well, after I move all the skin and fat, now we're going to go ahead and add in some fresh lime, also some lime juice. Also going to go ahead and add in some vinegar and also some salt. Now we're going to go ahead and just start cleaning our meat by rubbing our fresh lime all over the meat, getting it all incorporated. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, now I'm just going to remove all the fresh lime and empty out that juice. And we're just going to go ahead and give it a rinse with warm water. And then I'm going to just remove it and put it into another bowl. And that's when we're going to go ahead and pour hot water on there, sauteing the meat. Okay, so here I am just going ahead and pouring the hot water all into the meat, and we're just going to give it a nice stir. I'm using a spoon because I don't want to burn myself. As I stated, this is hot boiling water, and then I'm going to just go ahead and pour this out and do it again. I just showed it twice just because. And that's it, you guys. That's how I clean my turkey legs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for part 2 where I show you guys me frying the turkey and season it up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.